Hey y'all, today we're gonna create a delicious YouTube video about crock-pot loaded potato casserole. Let's get started. All right, here are the ingredients you'll need. 6 medium russet potatoes peeled and cubed, 1½ cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup of cooked and crumbled bacon or bacon bits, ½ cup of sliced green onions, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of heavy cream or milk, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon of butter for greasing the crock pot. Now let's get to the instructions. First things first, prepare the crock pot. Grease the crock pot with butter to prevent sticking. This little step makes sure everything cooks evenly and comes out just right. Now it's time to layer the ingredients. Place a layer of cubed potatoes at the bottom of the crock pot. Sprinkle with a little salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add some shredded cheese. Add crumbled bacon. Add green onions on top of the potatoes. Repeat the layers until all ingredients are used, saving some cheese and bacon for the final topping. And there you have it. Now it's time to add the cream. In a bowl, whisk together the sour cream and heavy cream, or milk if you prefer. Then pour this mixture evenly over the layered ingredients in the crock pot. Next, we'll cook everything. Cover the crock pot and cook on low for about 4 to 5 hours or on high for 2 to 3 hours until the potatoes are tender. To finish, in the last 15 to 20 minutes of cooking, sprinkle the remaining cheese and bacon on top. Cover it up and let it melt nicely. Finally, it's time to serve. Garnish with some additional green onions and enjoy. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.